In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user story in Jira. Before we begin, it's worth pointing out that the process shown here appears to involve adding people to a Jira project rather than creating a story issue itself. So, if your goal is to invite or add users to the project team, these are the steps you'll want to follow. Start by opening your Jira project and navigating to the project board. Once you're on the board, look for the person icon associated with the project. This is typically where Jira lets you manage who has access to the project or who can be added to collaborate. Go ahead and click that person icon to open the Add People or Project Access panel. After that panel opens, you'll see a field where you can enter a user's email address. In this step, type the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure the email is entered correctly, since this is how Jira identifies the user you're inviting or assigning access to. If your organization uses managed accounts, the address may also trigger a matching user suggestion automatically. Once you've entered one email address, you can continue adding more if needed. This is especially useful when you're setting up a project for a team and want to invite several people at once instead of repeating the process over and over. Just keep entering additional email addresses in the available field or selection area, depending on how your Jira workspace is configured. When you've finished adding everyone you need, click on Add Person. This confirms the selection and sends the invitations or grants access depending on your Jira settings and permissions. After you do that, the added users should appear in the project's people list, and they'll be able to access the project according to the roles and permissions available to them. A helpful tip here is to double check that you're adding the right people before clicking the final button, especially if your project contains sensitive work items. It's also a good idea to confirm that each person has the correct level of access once they've been added, so they can contribute without running into permission issues. And that's it. That's how to add people to a Jira project from the project board using the person icon, entering email addresses, adding more users as needed, and then selecting Add Person to complete the process.